So the kit comes with a complete cable harness which you connect directly to the battery and also to the ignition live. A wire that goes to the horn. It's got a tilt sensor that detects the angle of the bike, a switch for the handlebars and 2 auxiliary headlights. The headlights can work in 3 different modes, which is dip beam, high beam and cornering. The cornering illuminates the verge as you lean the bike. So if we switch on the lights with the headlight button, the first we get is a yellow dip beam. We press it a second time and we get a white high beam. We switch it off by pressing the flash button. If we press the flash button again, it goes into flash mode of dip beam or a flash of high beam, switching it a third time. Switch it off. Center button puts it in automatic mode, which means when it gets dark the lights will automatically come on. So if I press the button now, it thinks it's dark, so it's bringing the lights on. The lights have illuminated on the switch to show that. I'm going to put it into high beam mode and demonstrate what happens when we lean the bike. So we're in high there and we can see the lights shining on the table. So I'm going to lean the bike slightly one way and then a more, and now we're going to lean the bike the other way. So that's our cornering lights which light the verge. If we flick quickly from side to side, it switches us. So it's possible to go through the settings by pressing the buttons on the remote control to calibrate the sensitivity and also the angle of the sensor. So if you don't mount the sensor perfectly straight on the side of the bike, you can change the settings to compensate, and depending on how much you lean, you may want to tweak the calibration settings so that it brings on the cornering lights sooner for your individual turns. I can demonstrate what happens when you press the horn. So this is the horn sensing wire. I'm going to simulate touching it, the pressing horn button, and the headlights flash 3 or 4 times to attract the attention of other road users.